Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the video mode. Let me switch to the photo one. And before we will start this whole resetting operation, I'd like to apply the grid lines. So let me quickly enter the settings and let me set maybe those. After getting back to the camera, you can see that I've applied the grid lines. Basically, I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear after resetting. So in order to reset the preferences, we have to open the three bars icon, so let's tap on it in the right upper corner, and then enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it and tap on Restore Defaults again. And nothing happened, of course. But after getting back to the camera, you can see that the diagonal lines, so those grid lines, are not visible at all, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.